walking around, praying.
Yeah. Giving out a few leaflets here and there for the gig.
Yeah, yeah.
These ones.
Yeah.
People have been asking a few questions. So we're going to go down to the gig in a minute and give our testimonies. So it should be quite good.
And talk to people and advertise. Yeah.
So it should be quite good. What's happening?
Yeah, yeah, we better
Go.
go.
Yeah, see you later.
Yeah.
So what you've been doing here?
We have. This was very high. It was higher than the front bit. The front bit that you've got in view now. It was higher than that all the way back. So we've cleared it all the way. All that's been chopped down, including a big tree, which is the little tree root that stump that you now see was a big tree.
Okay, now, you know how to use this? Yeah.
Should be good.
Come on, Johnny!
It's well good. Earlier, we were standing outside an ice cream truck and just paying for people's ice cream. Well good.
It was?
And then giving them change as well. Well surprised. It was like, what did you actually get?
Yeah, I really want to do that, but before I go, I'm going to...
What are you doing? This is Tim, the free cash machine. There he goes. Do you want a bacon sandwich? Cool.
So yeah, how's the bacon?
Going groovy.
Oh look.
Homeless people, giving them money and things.
Homeless friend was from East London, and she
was walking up to Guildford. She's thinking about coming on Monday to the barbecue. Her name is Yvonne.
Yeah, and she hasn't seen
Her child, her
daughter for ages, and we prayed for her to try and be back together.
Get back together with her daughter, and we gave her £5 as well.
This is Paul. We met him how long ago? About 8 months ago.
Before she went to China.
Before I went to China.
Should we see how they're making sandwiches?
It tastes well nice when you have one. I'm really casually trying to record.
Our
first people.
662.
That's litres.
That's it.
Pour it out.
662 litres of grace.
Yeah, been given out by me and Darren. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So why aren't you wearing a t-shirt?
Well, this little kid asked me if he could have my t-shirt, if he could buy my t-shirt. So I said, do you like it? And he said, yeah, it's really good. Can I have it for free? So I took it off and gave it to him and walked away. And he was left wondering what to do with it.
That is unbelievably good.
This is my tip for the tournament here, SJT in yellow. We've got to have area cam. If you can be area cam, we can catch these infringements on camera. Oh, look out, here we go. The brake is on.
Down in there?
We have been down here since just after 1 o'clock. We walked around the estate and picked up loads of kids, had lots of good chats. Then we brought a few down, so some have come and gone. We've had about 30 or so kids on and off all afternoon.
Fantastic.
It's been fantastic, really good.
Just playing.
Right.
Basically,
There was lots of graffiti on here, and it was all black and not very nice, really.
and we've been scrubbing hard, and
it took us ages, and apparently we're not good enough.
Yeah, they're not good enough. They're not good enough.
and well, our arms are just knackered.
Plastic, dirty things we've been cleaning, like on ladders.
And on the roof.
And when we went there skirting on the roof.
safety beware.
Getting a bit wet, a bit dirty.
Yeah, I can see that.
We also got these rashes, so we
Hang back to jump. So try to save yourself. Get walls.
Who'd have thought painting would be so much fun, eh, Sam? So what have you been doing, Tim?
Yeah, so professional. Yeah, look at that. He's measuring it up and getting it along the edge. Now, I've had a bit of trouble because the edge wasn't smooth to begin with, so we had to compensate for that. Quite a few times, yeah. It's our success.
You're crazy.
The bread. The famed ice cream man who's been accompanying the Gracious Grey Army constantly through the noise weekend. We paid for people's ice cream, and now he has returned to the barbecue.
You need to have like
But God has really touched us over this weekend. What about you? Oh well, yeah, it's like filled me completely. It's like, oh yeah, oh. So Ian, how's your day been?
I'm now very tired. One can only move so much cat poo before one's very tired.
What do you guys think of the noise?
More where that comes from.